channel. So today we are going to transform from 0 to 100. I'm talking about the glowy look. So without chatting too much, let's just get right. My skin is oily. I live in a hot climate, so if the sun is shining like this, my skin tends to be oily, and when it's cold during the rainy season, my skin tends to be dry. So now I can say my skin is very oily. So I'm going to moisturize with this from Forever Living. Then for primer, I'm going to use this from Caviar. For foundation, I'm going to use this one from Classic. Concealer, I'm going to use this from Rolanette. That concealer, I'm going to use sachet setting powder. Ooh, my black and drop it. My black and drop it. This concealer sets beautifully. So I'm going to let the concealer sit for a while, then move on to the brow. For the brow, I'm going to use my two favorite brow pencils. I'm so sorry guys, I just checked and I realized that I've been filming but I've been off the video. Almost 1/3 of my body is off the video. I'm so sorry. I just corrected and it's not going to happen again. Thank you guys. So now I'm going to wipe away the powder. Spray my face with a setting spray to lock in everything before I continue. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to use this palette from Ashes and apply this gold shade to my crease. Then from heaven, you can wait whole life wondering when it's gonna come for us then. You may have got your heart broken a few times in the past. For lid, I'm going to use this purple shade here. Then again, I'm going to use a shimmering purple on top of my lid. Ooh, no more will you be the one. That's what to tell everyone around you. No, they've heard it all before. What more can you say? But love won't let you walk away and you can't help who you love. You find yourself giving it away when you think of ooh, girls. I wanna be the one who will lead when you're for the same from. To set the foundation, I'll use Mary Kay's press powder. Ooh. You know, I love the way the purple looks, guys. For mascara, I'm going to use Kiehl's Long Lasting. This is actually a good mascara. I revealed it a while back. For the first time in a long time, I'm going to wear lashes from La Charm. So lashes on, moving on to lips. No, first I'm going to, so now for blush, I'm going to use this shade from Ashes Cosmetics. Now to highlight my cheeks, I'm going to use the same palette and use this shade down here. This highlighter is so pigmented. Barely even touching it with my brush. Moving on to lip, I'm going to go neutral and I'll start by lining with MAC pencil. Next, lipstick from Sleek. This gloss from Jaleo. I'm feeling myself. Ooh, I'm feeling good. Wow, I feel glammed. Oh, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling good. Do you guys see the transformation? I'm feeling glammed. I'm feeling myself, guys. Do you guys see the transformation? Do you guys see the transformation? Ooh, Mama, will be the one. That's what you tell everyone around you. But you know they've heard it out before. What more can you say? When life won't let you walk away and you can't help you. Oh my goodness, guys, I feel so glammed. Do you guys see the transformation? Transformation. I feel good. I feel good. That is the complete look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share this video. Please leave suggestions, questions and comments down below and I'll try to answer them. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.